This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Christina Pione. Welcome to this custom-built home in Miars Plantation. This home has it all. 5 beds, 4 full baths. Office/bedroom west/full bath on the first floor. Hardwood floors throughout most of the first level. Open floor plan, enter the large family room west/high ceilings and beautiful crown molding throughout. The living space flows into the open kitchen west/eat-in area, coffee bar, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, opens up the space to overlook backyard. Spacious laundry room west/sink upstairs. Main bedroom has an extra seating area and 2 walk-in closets, double sinks and soaking tub in the bathroom, as well as tiled shower.